In this video, we are showing you an advanced Bachata Sensual combination using different types of body waves and other sensual moves. So, let's go!
I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby.
Okay guys, so for this one we start in the closed position or in the social position. And in this case we start with a break forward. That means that the leaders, we do our step to the front and we rotate our body to open the follower's body. So we go 1, 2 on the spot. On 3 we do a small rotation. In 3, 4.
Yeah, for the follower, be very careful not to make your step too big to the back, because like this you don't have enough time to come back. Make sure more to open as well and not go this step very big.
Yes. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 3, 4 we rotate and we make ourselves big and go up. And now we lead the impulse in 5, 6.
Here it's super important for the follower to keep the tension in this arm, because if you lose the tension and he wants to bring you back, he would just pull your upper body. So make sure to keep all the tension here.
Yes, and also for the leaders, in this case, when we do the impulse, we release this hand in 5, 6, and we stay on the spot. Now on 7, we bring the follower back to us and we make ourselves big again in 7, 8. And in 8, when we are here up, we start the rotational body wave by rotating the upper body of the follower, like this.
Yeah, it's very important that you always rotate at the highest point and not when we are down and try to move the upper body.
Yes, it's a lot safer if we rotate the body of the follower when she's up. So we are here in 7, 8. And now that we built the energy on the upper body, we just release it by going down and finishing the wave in 1 and 2.
Yeah, make sure, follower, that you don't try to hold on to the leader, because that will cause that you are somewhere here.
Yes.
So it's okay if you lose a little bit here the arm connection and you slide down so you can really do your movement.
Yes, and for the leaders, when we bring her down, we also sit down in our place here. So now in 3, 4, we create the pendulum for the reverse body wave in 3, 4. And in 4, we put our leg here in the middle of her 2 legs to guide the slide.
Yeah, very important, follower, that you really wait for what he's leading, because if you're here and you think, oh yeah, let's close directly, he doesn't have a chance to lead what he wants to do next.
Yes, so we go again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we do the slide in 5, 6, and when we are here up again in 7, 8, we rotate the body of the follower in 7, 8. Make sure to not only use your arms, but also use your body a little bit to guide the rotation.
Yes, and also again here, really wait when you are up and not just get into your normal position.
Yes. So we are here, we rotate in 7, 8. Look that we don't have any connection at the moment, but that's okay. With the arm connection and with our frame, we are going to lead the body wave in 1, 2, and stop. So we're not doing the whole body wave. We just start the body wave 1, 2. We say stop and let's go back in 3, 4. And now we continue the movement into a dip in 5, 6, 7, 8.
So when the leader guides the movement into the first body wave and stops, it's very important that you stop her when she's still on her right, left with the whole weight and not already started to shift the weight and she thinks, okay, I'm going to do just a body wave.
Yes.
So stop her when she's still here on the front.
Yes. So we stop here, we say no, let's go back in the original position in 3, 4, but we also say, okay, now we continue into the dip, and now guys, make sure when you do the dip to have connection here. So we said we didn't have any connection first here, and we went 1, 2, okay, we say go back, and the leader now tries to look for the connection in the leg to give her support in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Follower, remember that your movement for the dip is at first you close your upper body, you go up here, and then you go slowly down, and make sure to control your neck.
Yes, and for the leaders as well, the whole body wave and dip, it's led with our body and not only with our arms like this. So we're going up and closing and then opening again. So with counting from this point of view, we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and also check out these other Bachata Sensual advanced combinations that we are sure you are going to love them. So, see you next time.